This is a night of July 13th, 2013 in Bartlett, Tennessee. And we're looking to the west. It's a little bit before 9 p.m. We're looking at Venus and the moon, the two brightest objects in the night sky after the sun. Venus is 67 million miles from the sun on average. Its closest approach to Earth is 26 million miles from the Earth. The Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. Venus is about 9/10 as massive as Earth. Its rotation period is longer than its year. I'm going to zoom in here, you can see it a little better. Zoom in for a moment. Its rotation period is longer than its year. Its rotation period is 243 Earth days, but its year is only 225 Earth days. Its atmosphere is 95% carbon dioxide and 90% heavier than Earth's atmosphere. So the surface pressures are like the bottom of an ocean. And the temperature on Venus is close to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. It hovers between 870 and 900 degrees Fahrenheit all over the surface of Venus. So there's no liquid water there. We've had several probes orbit Venus, and the Soviets landed several spacecraft on the surface back in the 70s and 80s. Right now we've got the Venus Express probe, which is a cooperation between the United States and the European Space Agency. It's orbiting Venus. And it's been sending back many excellent pictures and taking measurements of the atmosphere, the temperature. Of course, the moon is in its increscent phase. It's getting larger, it's waxing. Orbits the Earth every 29 days. Is 1/81st the mass of Earth, so the Earth is 81 times more massive than the moon. The moon is 2,160 miles in diameter. The Earth is 8,000 miles. Actually 9,927, but close enough to 8,000, so 4 times the diameter of the moon, but 81 times the mass. The moon has no air to speak of. If there is any, it's very, very rarefied. So if we wanted to build a hotel there, we would have to find a way to protect it from meteorites. And as of yet, we don't really have any material that can stand a rock moving at 10 miles per second to 45 miles per second, hitting it. But that's not to say that that won't happen. We might be able to develop some kind of foam that would withstand micrometeorite impacts. But we do actually have a probe orbiting the moon at this time. I think it's called the Lunar Reconnaissance Mission. And it's taking pictures, down to, like, you can see objects down to a couple feet in size. It's mapping the whole surface. So I'm pretty sure that we will be going back there at some point, either through private industry or otherwise. So again, this is the 12th or 13th of July, 2013, at a little bit after 9 p.m. Central Standard Time.